What's going on, apes? My name is Tyler. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video let's talk about the running rumor that has resurfaced yet again that Amazon may be looking to buy out AMC. We're going to be talking about what the good and bad would be from this, because honestly, in my opinion, if this were to be true or somehow comes out to be true in the next couple of months, this could be one thing that could definitely cause a huge price movement to the upside, possibly even cause the short squeeze or the mother of all short squeezes. But there is definitely a downside to this. We're going to go over what this running rumor is. I don't necessarily think it is true or the case as far as right now. We are also going to go over a couple other things you guys need to know. Why AMC did rally today if you are unfamiliar about the truth behind today's rally. Also, the fact that Benzinga asked 1,000 of their own subscribers what they would do with $5,000, invest it into Netflix or invest it into AMC. So we're going to go over all three of those things in this video. Drop that like on the video if you want to see this rally continue with AMC stock. Comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell. Guys, so first things first, we obviously know it was a great day today, up about 7.5%. And yes, people were buying the stock, don't get me wrong. But the reason AMC did go up 7.5% is due to the trading algorithms, because as we do know, the FDA approved the vaccine. So when that did happen, we seen all recovery stocks go up a lot in value. Take a look at this trade that I did put on today at 10:55 a.m. on Win. And I bought this for $195. It closed the day at $238, up $43. When I bought this on Win was only about $90. And take a look at the past year. They have been getting beaten down ever since this new round of, I don't even want to call it what it is because I'll get shadow banned, but you guys already know what I'm saying. Everything has been taking a hit since this did happen. So it's not necessarily more people that are buying the stock than have been on any given day, right? It's the trading algorithms that widen the bids and the asks. Specifically, they raise the bids. So that means that ultimately they set the prices because they are the market makers. They dictate the prices. Depending on good news, they can dictate those prices to go up and you'll pay more for the stock. Or during bearish times and times of downtrend, they do the exact same thing to the downside. So that is really what is going on here. Yes, there was probably more people that were actually buying the stock than on any typical day because of this, because a lot of people think there's going to be more demand since this did happen. But it really comes down to the trading algorithms, and that is really why we did pop 7.5%. Take a look at any other stock, especially recovery stocks. They all had a wild bounce. So let's now talk about Amazon buying AMC. And this is not a new thing. We have seen rumors come out like this from years back, going as far back as 2018. And this source comes from today's 5.com. So not a very reliable source, but they said, according to sources close to Odeon Cinemas, there are expectations for Amazon to buy AMC outright in the coming months. Dates remain unclear, but there's one thing for certain. If a deal is reached, there will be no merger. Amazon will purchase AMC in its entirety, and there will be no agreement at all. We already know that Amazon was in discussion to buy AMC back before the pandemic. It's surprising that Amazon waited out the lockdown to see if they could purchase the company at a lower price than it was already. We also know preliminary talks started again in June. Now we have sources that tell us negotiations have reopened again. It was always in the air that Amazon expected to buy AMC in 2020. Now with the competition of the online streaming world, Amazon has kicked talks up into high gear. And this just seems to be very untrue. Especially this line right here. Amazon will purchase AMC in its entirety, or there will be no agreement at all. And that is typically what does happen. But when you consider the multiple of AMC stock, and the valuation of AMC, which is currently at about $25 billion, it doesn't logically make a lot of sense, even for a company like Amazon to do that, especially when you do buy out a company. There's a lot of risk that does get involved with that. Do you rebrand the company? Do you keep it as AMC? Do you try to make Amazon theaters? Like, would that be successful? It's not very logical at this point. If they didn't want to buy it at $1 billion valuation or $500 million valuation, as far as the total market cap of the company, I believe it was somewhere around there at the lowest point when AMC was trading at about $1.50. I don't think they would be willing to buy it at almost $40. But nevertheless, if this is happening, Amazon, we all do know, has the means to buy the company at pretty much whatever valuation you want to give it. If this is happening, if we do get confirmation of rumors, it'll definitely be a bullish thing overall for the short squeeze. But something to keep in mind is with these buyout rumors or actual buyouts, there is a buy the rumor, sell the news. So you're going to see a rally into the merger, or the rumor, I should say. You're going to see that rally. If it gets confirmed, you're going to see a major dump off. On the other hand of that, if Amazon does come in and say offers to buy them out at a $15 billion price, which would be, I don't know, roughly cut the price in half, let's say $20 per share, then you would see a negative influence from that as well. So I do think if these rumors do continue to be talked about, it could definitely be a bullish thing in the near term. But if this is really a thing, then it's probably not going to be a good thing if it is fully announced that they did put an offer in. So just keep that on your guys' radar. This is a buy the rumor, sell the news event if it is true. I don't know if it's true. Definitely not a reliable source in my opinion. Now, the final thing we should talk about in this video, which is the least most important thing, but it is David versus Goliath. If you had $5,000 right now, would you put it on Netflix or AMC? It says every week Benzinga collects a survey to collect sentiment on what traders are most excited about, interested in, or thinking about as they manage and build their personal portfolios. This week we posed the following question to over 1,000 Benzinga visitors on entertainment company investing. If you had $5,000, would you put it on Netflix or AMC Entertainment right now? 41.2% said Netflix. 58.8% said AMC. So definitely looking very bullish as far as the Benzinga subscribers, whatever the case is, whatever you want to call it. Definitely looking very positive. I thought this was interesting, but definitely was not surprising whatsoever. So that is going to do it for this video. Drop the like on the video. If you want to see AMC stock continue on this rally, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell. Also, check out the 3 links linked down below in the description. There is a link for public. You guys already know the deal. Get up to $70 in your choice free stock. It only takes about 3 minutes time. No need to link a bank account or deposit a single dollar to get that free stock. Also, the buy and sell alerts are linked down below in the description. Go ahead, check that out. It is very inexpensive. We are hitting monsters trades. This trade that I did show you guys in the last video on Win is going to be absolutely insane. So definitely check that out. Actually, this was in this video as well. Also, check out the link down below for the free Discord group chat community. If you guys want to be part of it, I just made it today, so it's going to take some time to get people in there. So feel free to hop on over if you guys do want to. That one is free. All those links linked down below in the description. But that is all for this video. I will see you guys in the next one.